Learn English through stories. How to use this lesson. This lesson is for beginner English learners. It exists to build reading confidence. Slowly, it includes a story, vocabulary, and questions. It also includes a rhyme and speaking task. Learners can improve reading, memory, and speaking skills. Learn carefully. Mia struggled with boring English textbooks. Grammar rules felt dry and confusing. She often lost interest within minutes. Studying began to feel like a chore. Mia wondered if learning could feel different. Her cousin suggested trying something new. Read short stories instead of textbooks. Stories carry meaning through natural sentences. They show grammar. Without direct explanation, Mia decided to give it a try. She picked a simple short story about a boy searching for his dog. The words felt natural and engaging. Unlike rules memorized from a textbook, Mia found herself wanting to continue. Each story introduced new vocabulary naturally. Words appeared again in different sentences. Repetition helped the words stick easily. Mia understood meaning through the context. Learning felt smoother than before. She noticed grammar patterns appearing naturally. Verb tenses repeated. Throughout each story, she absorbed structure without memorizing rules. Stories taught grammar in a hidden way. Mia was learning without even trying. Soon, Mia looked forward to reading. Stories felt exciting rather than exhausting. She imagined characters and their emotions. This connection made English memorable and real learning. Became enjoyable instead of stressful. Her vocabulary grew larger every week. New words appeared inside fresh stories. She recognized them faster each time. Speaking became easier as words stuck. Confidence grew alongside her vocabulary. Mia began understanding longer, complex sentences. Stories had prepared her. Gradually and naturally, she no longer feared difficult paragraphs. Reading felt like an adventure now, not a difficult academic task anymore. Friends noticed how much she improved. They asked about her secret method. Mia smiled and shared her discovery. Stories teach language better than rules. Reading stories had changed her learning. Now Mia recommends stories to everyone. Stories make language feel alive and human. Grammar and vocabulary come naturally through them. Learning English no longer feels difficult. Stories had truly transformed her journey. Vocabulary practice. Core a task that feels boring or unpleasant. Example, studying began to feel like a chore. Engaging, interesting, and holding attention. Example, the words felt natural and engaging. Context. The situation surrounding a word or idea. Example, Mia understood meaning through the context. Absorbed, took in information, gradually and naturally. Example, she absorbed structure without memorizing rules. Adventure, an exciting and new experience. Example, reading felt like an adventure now. Discovery, something new that is learned or found. Example, Mia smiled and shared her discovery. transform to change completely, often for the better. Example: stories had truly transformed her journey. Natural, normal, and not forced. Example: stories carry meaning through. Natural sentences. Comprehension questions. 1. Why did Mia dislike her English textbooks? 2. What did her cousin suggest instead? 3. What was the first story about? 4. How did Mia learn new vocabulary? 5. How did Mia learn grammar without memorizing rules? 6. What did Mia's friends notice? 7. What does Mia recommend to others? Rhyme section. Mia once found grammar a bore, rules and charts, and nothing more. Then she opened a story instead. Words came alive with every page she read. Grammar hid inside each line. Vocabulary grew, one story at a time. Now stories are her favorite way to learn English every single day. Speaking, writing task. Speak or write about your favorite way to learn something new. Answer these questions in your own words. 1. What is your favorite way to learn English? 2. Have you ever learned from a story? 3. What made that method enjoyable or effective? 4. Would you recommend it to a friend? Great job! Now try to use engage in, context, adventure, and natural in your own speaking and writing. Practice a little every day. Your English will improve step by step. Thank you for learning with us today. Please like, comment, and subscribe. For more English lessons, keep practicing and keep improving. See you next time.